everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaliyah, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to hold a handstand longer. So if you keep coming down from handstands, you're like, oh, I really want to hold it like even 2 seconds longer, because holding handstands are really fun, and it's a really popular competition to do with friends when you're at like a park or like a big grassy area. So you're prepared for that. This is a how to hold your handstand longer routine. So I've split it up into different parts. So we have the warm-up, or like what you need to stretch out, then the tips and how to hold the handstand longer. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's get started.
So first we are going to be doing the warm-up. So I'm just stretching out the wrists so they're ready to be pretty much put all of my weight on my hands because it's a handstand. Now I'm just stretching out my shoulders again, so I feel really good when I'm in my handstand and I really don't want to get injured, and stretching and warming up before I do handstands is really the best way to prevent that. So here are some more shoulder or like arm stretches. Now I'm just doing a little bit of ab workout because handstands take a lot of balance, so just having my core engaged. I like the way I get my core engaged is by doing a few curl or crunches, because then I can really feel my core when I'm doing the handstand or keep my balance better. So now I'm just going to kick up into like my first few handstands of the day. So they're not going to be the best ones yet, but it's just to practice and get a feel for what I need to do that day. And I actually recommend filming these or all of the handstand kick-ups you do and watch it afterwards to then improve. And now also here, you want to make sure that you grip your hands onto the ground like shown here, not like that with your hands together. You want them to spread out and gripping the ground, so then you balance better, and you can practice like shifting your weight throughout your hands so that you can feel perfectly aligned with the ground and you can hold your handstand longer because your balance is right. So now I'm just kicking up to the wall to really perfect my form. And as you can see here, my head is actually tucked in, but then when I do it on the ground without the wall, my head isn't tucked in and my back's kind of arching, and that was what was causing me to fall over. So that's why it's important to film yourself so that you can rewatch it and see what you might be doing wrong, and then try and fix it and see if that lets you hold your handstand for longer. That is also a good tip to use for any type of trick, but for handstands especially. Now I'm just practicing more kick-ups without the wall, trying to use my technique that I've been doing for today. And it's okay if you fall forward because you'll just catch yourself with your feet, and it's also good to try and fall different ways just to practice your balance. So just keep practicing, and I'm sure you will get a longer handstand if you do this routine every day or as often as you can. And yeah, good luck.
Bye guys, thank you so much for for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future video. So congrats to you guys who've done week 1. You are so awesome, and just keep up the good work and motivation going into the next 8 weeks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this routine, and if you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!